Ladies and gentlemen, it is technically day 2, but we're still finishing off day 1 of Hot Rod Drag Week 2024. We got the wife here, and the daughter, and we are, what, an hour from?
54 minutes.
Plus traffic, so we're about an hour, hour and a half, plus 13 more gas stops. So, we'll reset the trip. How many miles did it take?
4 gallons.
4 gallons? That's about 11 mpgs, but then again, it was running a little rich last night with the air. Anyway, we are off. We will see you at the track for day 2. Doing the thing, crossing a narrow little bridge, but it kind of looks beautiful out here. Man, this thing is small. As long as we don't turn the trailer into a ping pong ball back and forth. Ding, 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 ding. Sure is pretty though.
Yeah, beautiful. There's no porches or anything like that? No boats? Okay.
Oh, I bet that's a hydro dam. Things to do. My shifter's a little loose, got to tighten that up, do a check on that. We got to change the track trim, and then we got to decide whether we're unpacking or are we just going to try to make a pass, say hi, go talk to some, make some friends, and then hit the road and try to get to the next track, because I have a feeling it's going to be another 5-hour drive.
So how's it going on day 1/2?
Well, day 1's over. We're on day 2 now. We are here at Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Eleanor's out getting some energy out. She's been cooped up a little while.
Okay, your lug nut. She don't lose it.
So at the last checkpoint last night, I happened to notice that my passenger side wheel was hot. I was like, okay, you know what? Maybe it's just from all the driving and the braking. So kind of ignored it. And we went ahead and stopped it for the night. Got up, hit the road again. Well, the wife went to take the wheel off and she said it was hot again.
Couldn't even touch it.
We went ahead and pulled the drum off because she is hot. I'm trying to cool it down now, but I mean, look at it melt that ice. This thing is hot. So we're gonna let this thing cool and we're gonna dial back the brakes a little bit. Apparently they're a little too tight.
On the one side.
The other side's fine. This side is just set up a little too tight. So we're gonna let it cool. We might not make C-Class. We might not make C-Class first pass. I really want to make sure this cools and get it set up. Worst case scenario, we'll just hit the all run and we'll go A to B. We'll set this brake back up and head back to the next track. I don't think we're gonna stay here tonight. I think we're gonna try to unpack as minimally as possible so we can hit the road, get ahead of everything. That way, if we run into any more issues. Thought we dodged all the bullets, but nope, we just kind of closed our eyes and ignored it. But it's not a horrible one. We are in the staging lanes for day 2. We are in track mode except for the exhaust. I left those in. But we're gonna see if she can at least run consistently at this point. That's the best I can hope for. She looks good. She made it here. We got a long drive again today, so if we can just get through the day.
Ian Strecker and Kyle Dennis coming up. 91 Mustang, Strecker the 2014 Grabber Blue car. Dan Strecker goes 10:31.4, 137. Kyle Dennis goes 13:08.9 at 107.3 miles an hour.
Well, our first pass was absolutely horrible. She just spun. I think I have faulty tire pressure gauges. That's great. We're gonna try to make it pass again. We're gonna try to get a better burnout. Try it again, then we're gonna pack up and head out. Check out what's in the staging lanes. That's blasphemy. And here we are.
Listing the make and model of.
You know, at this point of the game, as long as none of these cars are incontinent, I'm happy with it.
Which continent don't you like? Oh. Lanes are closed. Lonnie has confirmed that fact. We got about 10 pair of cars to run. That means effectively you're looking at a 2:35 end time on your time slips. Get them in now. Dave Studley, the 1979 Chevy Malibu. Kyle Dennis, the 1991 Ford Mustang.
Hey, people in the chat are saying they've got some students watching. I love it when auto shops or any kind of class turns on the live feed and shows the kids. They might be learning things that are above their age range, but yeah, I appreciate every student watching this, whether they're adults or kids.
Yes, the auto shop kids are great. We do a lot of stuff with the NHRA.
Well, that's it. We're officially packed up for the day. Lost my cap. Back in street trim. Would you like to do the honors?
Yes.
We're a little behind on this.
National Trails, done. Lucas Oil Raceway, done. Now we're on our way to US 131.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We're off again. Man, I need to find some good grub because I am starving. See you on the road. I'm not saying you have to do it, but you're under an overpass. You gotta let everybody know you're here.
Hi.
Well, we made it to stop number 1 for day 2. Goldstone Automotive. This place is freaking cool. He opened it up. He's letting guys work on their cars and stuff. Everybody's doing trailer burnouts out in front. Project Apocalypse is here. Gotta get some gas. For 110 miles in, so he's gonna be thirsty soon. But we got all kinds of people here. We're gonna go walk around, meet some people. Eleanor's finally happy to get out and stretch her legs.
Say hi.
She's been snacking the whole time. So. Well, that's one way to have safety chains. Or is that a stabilizer strap?
A little bit of.
It's a parachute. Right. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we just left the checkpoint. We are gonna do some gassing up. We got 116 miles on it. We're gonna put 5 in, and we're gonna see how much it takes to pump. Then we're gonna calculate our miles per gallon based on basically the entire time on the freaking highway. So, go ahead, well, we used 5 plus the, so 8.2. So that should be what, like 12?
14 and
14.5 MPGs for a 393 stroker hauling a big ass camper. I'll take that for a win for today. All right, off to the next checkpoint after we gas up. Checkpoint number 2 is right here. We still got the car, still got a trailer.
We don't got a flatbed?
Yeah, we don't have a flatbed, so that's cool. Still got both of our tires. Sadly, somebody lost some today. I tried looking for them, but I didn't see them, or else I would have snagged them up for them.
Somebody, I guess a Jeep loaded them up.
So that's...
They tried to get to them, and it was on the other side. They turned around and came back, and there was a Jeep loading them up.
People, man, I swear. Other than that, I mean, the cruise control is getting a little... Ugh. Ellie Belly's chilling in the back seat, singing and dancing and having a good old time. We're just letting her eat. Hopefully tomorrow we can get up to the track nice and early and get in, make a pass, shoot some shit, pack up, head out. Hey, Ellie, what's the race car say? High five. Well, other than that, sadly the track will not let us camp, and I really don't feel like unpacking everything and a pilot unless we have to, so we are renting a hotel for the night. So I get to walk back inside with more gas and tires again. You get some confused looks when you're walking with 10 gallons of gas. But we're gonna load back up, we're gonna hit the road because I got to edit this video and get it uploaded for you guys in the morning. Hello.
A couple of us out here.
This right here is why I didn't want to run the track back. Oh my God, I hate Michigan roads. Other than that, everything's doing the stuff. Check out this AFR gauge.
Holy fuck. Holy thank you.
I have to say that is probably the best investment we made right here before track week. Oil pieces. So far, we're at 804 miles on Project Apocalypse. Well, we stopped up for the night. We're staying at a hotel. By the time somebody actually answered that we could stay at the track, we already made a reservation. Daughter was getting a little restless. She deserved a bed to sleep in the night. Went ahead and got the priorities. Put the tires in with us. Wasn't gonna bring the gas cans, but I don't think he liked that idea. But decided to take the relays out. Good luck starting the car without those, because I mean they fall out on me all the time and I can't start the fucking car. Bought in the accessories, and oh yeah, good luck stealing my trailer without this, because it's with me. So that's going to be a wrap for day 2. We did hit checkpoint 1, checkpoint 2. We're how far away from the track? 30 minutes. So we're going to get up bright and early, hit the track, hopefully get some video of some people doing some passes. Hopefully it's better than the last place.
It's a complimentary. It's got more stars than the last place. This bed feels more comfortable too.
Well, that's a win. So we're going to take a nap. I'm going to edit this video for you guys. We're going to get up early and we're going to hit the road, get into track trim, make a pass, hopefully get to the next track so we can actually be ready to go, make our stuff there, hit our checkpoints, and then open the shop up at home if anybody needs it, and then pick up our slicks so that way the last day we can really hopefully get some good times in.